The yellow orange shovel?
Yeah.
The orange shovel's in the front porch of Jordan's house.
Oh, that shovel? What happened to the other small shovel? We had two.
It's in the back porch of the house.
I want to use that one.
What you building out here? What's his name?
Huh?
So who's he? Let me see. Let me see. Smile for the cameras. What kind of hat you have there?
Not a very good one. This is Herb's hat.
Hey, Henry.
You did such a great job.
What a good job you did, Patrick.
You went super far.
I'm still really angry, Mom.
Well, I know that, Henry, but we gotta go in sometime.
Why are you angry, buddy?
He doesn't want to go in.
You don't have to go in. Stay out here. Let's go see your. Let's go. No. Let's go see your other. I see lots of little snowman over here. Hurry, Henry. My hands are getting cold, buddy. Oh, I can't feel my hands, Henry. Hurry. Get inside your fort. Let me see it. I'm taking a video of you. Wow. Let me see. Whoa, I can barely see you in there. It's on YouTube inside. Come on.